Hello friends, welcome back. Arbab is here and you are watching Arbab Zahoor FX Trader. In this video you will going to learn about the ICT breaker block strategy. It's a very simple method. Watch this video till end so you will learn about these setup in a very short time frame. In this setup you will have to find a trend, okay, bullish or bearish, okay. It can happen your 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 4 hour, daily, hourly, weekly. Every time frame you can find this setup, and it's happen almost every day, okay. So you have to find a trend. As you know, the basic price action rule, price will make higher high and higher lows, okay. After a move, the last higher high, price if break the recent lower high, okay, and if come back to that lower high area is called a resistance, is called a breaker block as well. So what you understand, if the price break the lower high, the market structure shift, okay, the recent lower high, and if price go back to that lower high area and then price move downside is also called a breaker block. Simple, very simple. For a bullish scenario, the price is bearish and make a lower high, lower low, lower high, and then price break it and come back to that lower high area and then give a reaction is called your breaker block area, okay. This is a very simple. Color doesn't matter of the candle, is doesn't matter. I will show you this on a live chart. We are in Euro USD 1 minute time frame. As you see, price was a bearish, make higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, okay, and then price break the structure with momentum and give us a fair value gap plus a breaker block as you seen here, okay, in the New York session opening, and price tap there and give us a good reaction, and then price again tap to a breaker block and give us some reaction, right, okay. Then after that, as you see, price make again break of structure and give a breaker block with fair value gap, and price then give us again a good reaction, okay, as you seen here. This is a very simple method. Just follow this step. As you know, the simple thumb rule of a price action, price make higher high, higher low, and then come back to your lower low like that, okay. Then what happen, price if break like this and come to your this resistance area called breaker block area also, and you will take this entry simply, okay. Very simple rule. Make sure you subscribe our channel. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and comment on this video. And if you are new to forex market, please join our Telegram channel. There I give all type of entry modules and free learning, everything. Best of luck. Thank you.